In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion page. Duplicating is a quick way to make a copy of an existing page so you can reuse its structure, content, and formatting without starting from scratch. It's perfect for recurring notes, project templates, or preserving a snapshot before making big changes. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Once you're in your workspace and can see your pages, you're ready to go. You don't need anything fancy here, just the standard Notion interface you already use. Next, select the page you want to duplicate. You can do this by clicking it in the left-hand sidebar or by navigating to it however you normally would. Open that page so you're looking directly at its content. This ensures you're duplicating exactly the page you intend, especially helpful if you have similarly named pages or nested sections. Now, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu. You'll find it in the top right corner of the page along the page header. Click that menu to open the options. In the list that appears, click Duplicate. That's the entire action. Notion will immediately create a copy of the page. After a moment, you'll see a new page appear with a name like Copy Of, followed by your original title. The duplicate usually lives in the same place as the original, so it's easy to spot. Everything inside is copied over: text, headings, checklists, images, embeds, and subpages. Because it's a separate copy, any changes you make to the duplicate won't affect the original, and the original won't impact your new version. This makes it great for experimenting or spinning up repeatable workflows. If you don't see the three-dot menu where you expect, make sure you're viewing the full page, not just a preview. On some layouts, the three-dot menu can also appear in the sidebar when you hover over a page name, and the duplicate option there works the same way. If the duplicate option isn't available, it may be due to permissions in a shared workspace. In that case, you'll need at least the level of access that allows duplication. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a Notion page in just a few clicks. Use this method to build your own templates, keep a clean version of important documents, or quickly branch off new ideas. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working smarter with Notion.